In this video, let's understand the difference between torque and moment. Torque is the measurement of the turning force of an object, whereas moment is the measurement of the perpendicular distance from the point of rotation to the force line of action. Torque is a moment-related force, whereas moment is a static force. The symbol of torque is tau and the SI unit is Newton meter per revolution, whereas the symbol of moment is capital M and the SI unit is Newton meter. Torque is used to measure the coupling, whereas moment is not used for this purpose. Torque is used where there is an availability of a pivot and rotation. Moment is produced by any lateral force and used in non-rotational events. Torque is referred to the nature of force to rotate the object in a pivot, whereas moment is referred to the nature of the force to move the object.